Hi, I'm Mummy Imperfect, and it's that time again. It is one of my kids' birthdays now. It's my oldest daughter's birthday tomorrow, and I'm going to decorate a cake for her. And I've been waiting for the children to go to bed for a long time, but as usual, when you want to do something, they just take ages to go to sleep, and bedtime really drags. So it is about 9:15, and I'm just going to start decorating this cake. Luckily, I did my usual thing where I bake the cakes no, not a week before, but like a few days before, and I just put them in the freezer. Now people are like, oh, a frozen cake, that's so disgusting, but it's actually not disgusting. It's a good time saving method. A lot of professional cake makers do this because baking a big cake, you need to have time on your hands to bake it and decorate it. So if you freeze them a few days before and freeze them when they're just baked and they're still a tiny bit warmish, and that means that they're actually going to turn out more moist than ever when you've defrosted them. And when you are defrosting them, they don't have to be totally defrosted for you to start working with them. It's actually easier to work with cakes which are partially frozen. So that's a good tip for you there. So I'm gonna get cracking with that. You can see my big pile of dishes drying there that I've just washed. Who dries dishes? Not me. Drip dry all the way. So what I've done is I have made loads of vanilla buttercream icing, and I have put it into 4 bowls, and I've done them different pastel colours. Finished the cake, and it's taken me just under 3 hours, but I'm happy with it. As you can see, I've added a few more details, just added her name there and painted it with the same gold luster, just to, yeah, a bit more bling. But yeah, it's taken me just under 3 hours. Did I say that? I'm really tired, and it's kind of a labor of love because it did take longer than I thought, as is always the case when I do these things. But I think that she's going to be happy with it, and I'm happy with it as well. I feel like I was on Extreme Cake Makers, like painting and everything. It's been quite fun in a way, and it should taste good. So if you would like to make a rainbow unicorn cake for somebody special, you now know how to do it.